Now, this is how you can change passwords in your iPhone after the new update. So, what I think that you probably refer to is that after the iOS 18 update, the passwords are now separated and they pretty much disappeared from the settings and now exist as a separate application. So essentially, you need to find that app somewhere on your home screen or in the app library. And when you get inside, you can browse through all of the passwords which you have saved and stored on your device, right? So what you can do in here is essentially just locate or open up any kind of thing that you want, right? And you can essentially just click on any kind of entry and tap on edit. And if there is a password available, or if you saved the password for that service, you can either just type in a different one manually or just click on a change password and it should link you over to that website, right? So you're going to be able to do it in that case too. So this is like a simple approach. Naturally, there are like different passwords you might be thinking about. You have the passcode to unlock the iPhone, which is a different thing. This can be found in the settings under the Face ID or Touch ID and passcode section, where you can change it, you can turn it off, more options for you. So that's essentially what I wanted to show you. If you have more questions or things that you are kind of curious about, or if I didn't answer your question perfectly, then let me know below in the comments. Perhaps I might make an updated video about it, but that's it from me. Hit the thumbs up and I'll see you in the future videos.